If you don't want to miss any Bollywood gossip, press the bell icon to get instant update from us.
Actor Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide has made the nation stop and think how a young promising actor died a lonely death ridden with insecurity and depression due to the ruthless ways of Bollywood's power camps who ignore those who do not have a bloodline to flaunt. This sparked off several controversies as Twitterati bashed celebrities who are posting condolences for the late actor, calling them hypocrites. Several videos also resurfaced on the internet which shows how Bollywood ignored this young actor. One that recently went viral on social media is a clip from the popular chat show Koffee with Karan, where we can see Sonam Kapoor and Kapoor in a conversation with director Karan. Karan proceeds with his rapid fire round, and this one is called Hot or Not. He takes a series of names of heroes to which Sonam has to say whether they are hot or not. When Sushant Singh Rajput's name came up, Sonam was super surprised and said, "Huh, hot I guess." Her response has irked Twitterati, and they were quick to shut down Sonam for mocking the late actor on the TV chat show. One user said, "This is how they mocked him. Now writing RIP wouldn't take away your sins, Bollywood's Nepo kids." While the other wrote, saying who to insult a colleague is also mean-spirited, Sonam. Where is your apology for that? Well, we hope Sushant's demise would be the force of change in the Bollywood industry and they truly behave like one big family. You tell us in the comment section below what is your take on this.